Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusti Hafiza Fahira. I'm from C class 2019. Now, I want to explain the key success of online and blended learning. There are 6 points that I want to explain. The first, learner-centered education. Learner-centered education is about an entirely new way of saying, thinking about, and acting on education. It focuses on 3 key aspects about the learner. First, each learner is seen as being unique in meaningful ways. They have unique backgrounds, circumstances, and starting point with unique strength, challenge, interest, and aspiration. All of these unique attributes call for unique response from their learning system. Second, each learner is seen as having unbounded potential that will unfold at its own pace and in its own way. Every single learner is a wonder to behold, and finally, each learner is seen as having an innate desire to learn. The job of the education system is to analyze that desire. Second, collaborative and interactive learning. Collaborative learning is the educational approach of using groups to enhance learning through working together. Group of 2 or more learners work together to solve problems, complete tasks, or learn new concepts. And interactive learning is learning that involves interaction between student and lecturer, student with the environment, or other learning materials. The third, metacognitive awareness. Metacognitive awareness means being aware of how you think. In the ELT classroom, it means being aware of how you learn. Developing metacognitive awareness is an important part of helping learners become more effective and importantly, more autonomous. If learners are conscious of how they learn, then they can identify the most effective way of doing so. The fourth is increase flexibility. Flexibility in learning. Flexibility learning is a method of learning where students are given freedom in how, what, when, and where they learn. Flexible learning environments address how physical space is used, how students are grouped during learning, and how time is used through teaching. And the fifth, immediate feedback. Immediate feedback is the answer the comments given to students after they finish a task or activity. Through this feedback, students receive information that creates an idea or belief in respect to their result. For this feedback to be more effective, it should be given immediately after the task is complete. The immediate feedback makes learning more meaningful. And then feedback can be internal if it comes from each individual according to their perception of their results, without being evaluated by anyone. And then the last, multimodal contents. Multimodal learning is teaching a concept using more than one mode by engaging the mind in multiple learning styles at the same time. Learners experience a diverse learning style that collectively suit all of them. And the model suggests that there are 4 main types of learners. First, visual. second auditory, the third reading or writing, and the last kinesthetic. Okay, that's all my opinion about the key success of online and blended learning. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.